Robert Plant's acclaimed folk blues collective Saving Grace, featuring Suzi Dian, has officially announced their Ding Dong Merrily Tour set for this December. The ensemble, fronted by the legendary former Led Zeppelin vocalist, will take the stage for 9 special performances across England and Scotland, with rising folk duo Burr Island joining as special guests. The upcoming trek coincides with a milestone moment for the band, the release of their long-awaited debut album, Saving Grace, arriving on September 26. This record will showcase the group's unique blend of traditional folk, blues, and spiritual influences, highlighting the vocal partnership between Plant and Dian, backed by an eclectic lineup that includes drummer Wafro, Ollie Jefferson, guitarist Tony Kelsey, multi-instrumentalist Matt Worley on banjo and strings, and cellist Barney Morse Brown. The December tour kicks off on December 8th at Portsmouth's Guildhall, followed by a performance the next night, December 9th, at Eastbourne's Congress Theatre. From there, the band heads to the capital, playing the prestigious Royal Festival Hall at London's South Bank Centre on December 11th, a highlight stop that is expected to draw fans from across the country. Mid-month, Saving Grace will perform at Birmingham's Symphony Hall on December 14th, before moving to Manchester's O2 Apollo on December 15th, 2 venues that have long been central stops for Plant throughout his career. The northern leg continues with a show at Glasgow's Royal Concert Hall on December 17th, followed by Edinburgh's Usher Hall on December 18th, marking a celebratory return to Scotland for Plant and his band. The final stretch of the tour brings the ensemble to Middlesbrough Town Hall on December 21st, then Newcastle's O2 City Hall on December 22nd, before wrapping up the pre-Christmas run with a closing night at York Barbican on December 23rd. The tour not only gives fans the chance to experience the new album live for the very first time, but also promises a festive atmosphere, blending Plant's deep musical heritage with the seasonal spirit. Fans eager to secure tickets have the chance to do so early. Those who pre-order the new album by Monday, September 15th at 12 p.m. will gain exclusive pre-sale access. General ticket sales open to the public on Thursday, September 18th at 10 a.m., with strong demand expected for all dates. With a celebrated frontman, a fresh debut record, and a carefully curated set list that bridges traditional roots music with Plant's unmistakable voice, Saving Grace's December tour is shaping up to be one of the year's most anticipated live events.